Hi, and welcome to this energy healing. I want you to begin by finding a comfortable position on either seated or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep, slow breath in. Count to 3. 1, 2, 3. And exhale slowly, releasing any tension you might be holding. Feel your body making contact with the surface beneath you, and allow yourself to settle and to be present fully in this moment. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, extending deep into the earth. Feel these roots anchoring you, connecting you to the stable, nurturing energy of the earth. Allow this grounding energy to flow up through your legs, into your torso, and up to the crown of your head, establishing a sense of stability and centeredness. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen or chest. With each inhale, imagine drawing in a fresh, vibrant energy. With each exhale, release any stagnant or negative energy. Begin to sense the energy within your body. Notice any areas where you feel warmth, tingling, or any other sensations. If you notice any areas of tension or discomfort, simply acknowledge them without judgment. Visualize a gentle white light surrounding you, filling your entire being. This light is pure, healing energy. Imagine this light flowing through your body, dissolving any blockages and restoring balance. Visualize this white light flowing through your feet, your legs, up your torso, through your arms, your hands, up your neck, and through your head. Allow the energy to flow freely like a gentle stream, washing away any tension or discomfort. Feel the energy flowing through the major energy centers of your body. Through your legs, your hips, your stomach, chest, neck and head. Feel the energy aligning and balancing these areas. Now bring your attention to any specific areas of your body or any aspects of your being that requires healing. Visualize this area being bathed in the white light. Set an intention for healing. It could be physical, emotional, or mental. For example, you might intend for peace, for strength, for release, or for physical healing. Repeat your intentions silently to yourself, feeling the power of your words. Imagine the white light amplifying your intentions, sending healing energy to the areas that need it most. Feel yourself becoming lighter, more balanced, and more at peace. Allow yourself to fully receive this healing energy fully. Now gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a few deep, slow breaths, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your body. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently move your head from side to side. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace and balance with you throughout your day. Know that you can return to this feeling of healing and centeredness whenever you need to. Take a moment to feel gratitude for this time of self-care. You are whole, you are healthy, and you are at peace.